look at that. So beautiful. What a nice place to sleep. Why are we sleeping here?
Oh, there's no better place, Squeaks, honey. The ground is smooth to lay our sleeping bags on, and it has a shady place so it won't get too hot and sunny in the morning. This is the best camping spot on the whole mountain.
Okay.
Looks perfect to me.
Okay, Daisy, Squeaks, and Ronald, you all set up the tent. Hal, will you help me with dinner?
Okay, yeah.
And Nature Cat, you get the sleeping bags unrolled and ready.
Sleeping bags.
Dinner is delicious, Granny Bunny.
That was really good.
Now make sure everyone cleans up all the scraps of food and puts them in this metal container. We don't want any wild animals dropping by for a snack.
Wild animals? Snack?
Don't worry, dear. We just need to follow the campout rules and all will be okay.
Understood, Granny Bunny. But I just had the craziest thought. Now, I'm just riffing here, but what if... This is so fantastic. What if we all left right now and went down the mountain and slept inside our house?
It's too dark, Nature Cat. Trust me, you'll see. Camping out is fun. And when you wake up in the morning, we're going to head right to the top of Mighty Mountain Peak. And that's a sight to behold.
I do very badly want to see the peak.
You can do this, Nature Cat. Come on, let's all get some sleep.
Yep, sleeping in a tent outside is easy. Can't wait.
Go. Come on, Nature Cat. Go to sleep. There's nothing to be afraid of. Except for that. Daisy, Squeaks, is that you? Hal, Granny Bunny, anything friendly. What is it? Ronald? Ronald, I know that you are up. I just heard you.
Oh, hey. Oh, what time is it? I was sleeping so soundly.
Ronald, I heard you. You were making a scared sound.
Me? Scared? Ah! Wow, what was that? Hold me, Nature Cat. Hold me.
Hey, you really are scared, aren't you?
Well, you must know, Nature Cat. Yes, I'm scared. I've never camped out before either.
Come on, Ronald. We can do this together. I know we can.
Will you look at that? Beautiful! Hey, where are Nature Cat and Ronald? Aw.
Huh?
We did it!
Well, you made it through your first night of sleeping away from home. How do you feel?
I feel great! Sleeping away from home wasn't bad at all.
Not at all, Nature Cat.
This is it! We're almost at the top.
Let's count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
We did it!
We made it to the top of Mighty Mountain Peak.
That's nice.
This is the most beautiful sight mine eyes have ever seen. We finally made it to the peak of Mighty Mountain. I can't thank you enough, Granny Bunny, for guiding us to the peak safely, soundly, and well-rested.
Nothing better than a Granny Bunny group hug.
Let's take a picture to remember this moment forever. Say, Mighty Mountain Peak!
Mighty Mountain
Peak!
Love you, Granny Bunny.